I thought today would be a good day to clean and condition my jacket. I have this natural leather jacket from Master Supply Co. that I got back in April. We're now in end of August. It's been nearly 5 months. I did condition it once before, but it's been nearly 3 months, I think. The reason why I'm doing it again already is because, well, you see it has aged a lot, patinaed, because this was white when I first got it, as you can see here. I've been having it out in the sun to make it go darker, because the UV does that. So anyways, it's quite dry, which is why I wanted to just apply some more conditioner to it. And I am using both leather cleaner and conditioner. Both are from Leather Honey. It's what I used last time around. I was happy with the results, so I'm gonna keep using this. So to apply both the conditioner and cleaner, I'll be using just a normal cloth. I got this one from Leather Honey as well, but you can also use a sponge, and at least for the conditioner you can even just use your hands to apply it. But yeah, I'm gonna start by cleaning it, and then I'm gonna leave it for a couple hours to dry, I think, and then I will apply the conditioner afterwards. Alright, so I just finished with the cleaning of the jacket, and I was saying before that you might have to leave it for a couple hours, but I think like even half an hour is enough. It doesn't get too wet. But yeah, the cloth got pretty dirty actually, so there's definitely a lot of dirt, so it's pretty important to clean the jacket properly before you apply the conditioner. Alright, so it's been about an hour or so. I just had lunch, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the conditioner. Some people recommend to heat up the conditioner. I actually did last time. I just put it in a bowl and put it in a micro, but I didn't find it that hard, although I did heat it up, but not that much. So I'm gonna try now just without heating it. I think it should be okay. Right, just finished up with the conditioning. So the jacket is definitely a lot darker now because it's not dry yet, but in general with conditioner it shouldn't really change the color of the leather at all, and if it does, it's really slight. The first time I did it I couldn't really see any difference, but yeah, so what you have here is just UV and wear basically. Next up I will also be applying some oil. I still need to find a good oil for that, but yeah, so I'm quite interested to see how it will develop next. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm gonna hang this up to dry, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace out.